Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to show you a different kind of no-knead bread. They're considered gourmet, but they're as easy as pancakes. And they're ready to bake in 20 minutes. I'll be using 4 large eggs, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 12 ounces whole milk, zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. The key to popovers is warm ingredients and a preheated pan. Position rack in the lower third of the oven. Place popover pan in oven and preheat to 450 degrees. Fill a 3 to 4 quart glass mixing bowl with hot tap water and place eggs in warm water. Put butter in an 8-ounce silicone measuring cup and microwave on high for 30 seconds. Put milk in a 16-ounce measuring cup and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Zest 1 lemon and set aside. Chop parsley and set aside. The bowl and ingredients are warm. We're ready to make the batter. I'll start by dumping the water out. Have the bowl here so the eggs won't roll off. I'm not worried about a little water. We'll start with the eggs. And I'll beat the eggs a little bit. Want to break the yolks? Don't have to go very far because I'm going to add some other things. Add the butter. Parsley lemon zest. And a 1/2 teaspoon salt. You don't have to really beat the eggs real well because what happens is when you add the flour, it helps mix it. This is 1/2 cup. So, it's 1, 2, 3. That's 1 1/2 cups flour. Now I use a flat whisk. You can use a balloon. I like a flat whisk for exactly this reason. I can scrape the sides better. And now everything is very well mixed. Next thing is some milk. Now what I'm going to do, you only add a little bit at a time. This is like condensed soup. You never put all the liquid in right away or it gets lumpy. Put a little in at a time and blend it. A little more milk. And the remainder. And see, it's nice and smooth right now. Okay, the batter is ready. All we need to do is bring the pan down now. The batter is ready and the oven and pan are preheated. Okay, the pan is preheated. This is the time for no stick spray. I have a ladle here, about 80% full is what we're aiming for. Okay, we'll just throw that away. You don't have to use it all. These are about 80% full, and we'll send them up to the oven. Bake at 450 degrees for 20 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 degrees and bake for an additional 15 minutes. The popovers are ready. And here they are. These are called popovers. The key is that they're hollow inside. What you use that for is you would stuff it with things like eggs and various other things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're unfamiliar with no-knead bread, you may want to check out my YouTube channel or my website, no-kneadbreadcentral.com. Thanks for watching.